morning. Welcome to Viking Mountain Ranch. Well, we've had nothing but winter storm after winter storm. 20 degree below zero, wind chill, temperatures hovering around zero every day, snow, ice, 40 mile an hour sustained winds with gusts up to 50. It has been crazy. Vehicles are not starting, just everything. Water's frozen. Just dealing with all of this kind of stuff. The snow is finally starting to melt right now, but we had quite a bit of snow. Nellie, our cow, she is starting to go into labor. We're in 2 days we're going to have another ice storm again, which we're not happy about. So trying to get the babies fed. Right here. Get the big ones fed too. So we've had to bring snow over. This here is Nellie. She's the one that's impending birth. She's all bagged up. So this was all more than a foot of snow the day before yesterday, and we got rain yesterday. We had some south winds coming in, so overnight it helped to melt some of this. Plus the sun came out yesterday. It was amazing. We're so happy to see the sun. It's gone again, but this is the weather right now. And so I bet you anything this girl will have given birth by dark tonight. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now. We have snow flurries. I don't know if you can see them. Right, Nellie? So they like to hide over there on the other side to get out of the wind because it's been blowing all night long. And we have 2 different winter storm warning wind chill advisories until, let's see, today is Friday until Tuesday. Well, this baby was just born. It's just came out. She's cleaning it. All the other cows are up here watching and being protective. It hasn't nursed yet.
She's got some.
Trying to clean it off. There we go. It's trying to nurse. It hasn't nursed yet. Yeah, they need to be away. I'm on. Okay, it's the morning after the baby calf was born yesterday in the evening time, and it has rained and rained and rained and rained. And we came over here early this morning and found it. It was asleep in the bushes, and we covered it with my my raincoat. It is raining. It's in the 40s, so it's not that bad. So now we're coming over here to check on it again. It's been a couple hours. Alright, so we're looking for it. Larry's found it up top here. What I found is when a newborn calf is born, the mother usually leaves it in the woods safe, and then she'll go back out and she knows exactly where she left it. So here they all are surrounding it. It's laying right there. Here it's getting up. It's a little boy. It's a bull. It's not even 24 hours old yet. Hey, Grimmy. Hello, Ginger. Here's Diesel. There's Red. There's Nelly. There's Baby. Doesn't have a name yet. Diesel. There's JR, Proud Daddy right there. And then there's Mama Cow, Diesel's mom. There he is. Thank goodness he wasn't born a couple days ago. We had the blizzard, the ice, the sub-zero week-long temperature, ice storm. I mean, the very next day, yesterday, he was born. So now we've just had a ton of rain. She's a good mom. Hey, Nelly. So we don't want to get too close and disturb everybody, and then they'll trample the baby. But he's very strong. Oh. He's gone potty.
Huh?
He's peeing.
Good.
So that works.
It's a towel.
Everybody's soaking wet. Hey, Grimmy. Nasty weather, huh? So Red over here, she's next to give birth. About 6 weeks. Hopefully the weather will be conducive.
Look at her.
Mama cow talking, or Nelly mama talking to the baby. Well, we know he's drinking because he has a very long bathroom break here. Yep. And they like to keep them in the trees, like I say. I mean, there's not any leaves really left on the trees, but we have bald eagles here, not to mention mountain lions, coyotes. Not a ton, but still. He's just very cute. That's not your mama. So this is their first morning together. Hey, little boy. She's telling him to come over to her and eat. Alright, well, he's laid down. He's drank some, and now he's laid back down again, and I think we'll just leave them be. Let them do what they do. Well, I'll tell you what, the last 10 days has been a crazy, crazy weather pattern. So we had a blizzard, we had a ton of snow, we had sub-zero temperatures for 7 days straight. Then we had ice storms. Then we had tons of rain. Now we have a flooded mess. The snow is pretty much melted everywhere. The ice is melted and it's getting a little bit warmer. But wow, what a crazy thing. Not get the animals water properly. You can see the ice is still there. That's all ice cube that we turned over the water trough. Getting water to the animals twice a day was a huge chore, because what would happen is we would bring the water from the house and pour it into the trough. It would freeze within just a couple hours. It was solid again. Larry lost the top off of his water bottle. It poured out, and instantly it froze into an icicle. It was just crazy, crazy, crazy cold. Thank goodness it's warmed up now, and it's about 38 degrees right now. So today, that is the warmest we've had in over 2 weeks. So right now, Larry's on the four-wheeler, and he's looking for the cows. We had to also park the truck and trailer out there as a windbreak for them when there was snow. I mean, it was just terrible, terrible weather. Chickens are resilient. Everyone has survived, but they won't go outside. I have to keep bringing them water. Watch out, boy. I'm filling up their food. Come on. You're okay. It's all right. There are no casualties of my chickens during the freeze. One of the reasons that I chose the Delaware breed of chickens is because they are very cold hardy, and they have small combs on top of their head and very small wattles. So they're supposed to be able to withstand real cold temperatures, plus they get real fluffy. The poor rooster, he got frostbite on his wattles and his comb. You see that? Poor boy. Yeah, I know, they hurt. They're gonna heal up though. He'll be alright. But nobody else, got any frostbite. His were just so much larger than theirs. But they're all eating and drinking, and everybody's doing well despite kind of shivering. But it is 4 degrees right now. It is 4 degrees right now. So no wonder. Thank you for watching Viking Mountain Ranch. Come back again.